Hi, this is Kodi Dave at Kodi Dave 001, and thanks for watching my video. Okay, today we're going to download Kodi, and then we're going to install it. I'm going to go ahead and set up my add-ons with all of the repositories or the repos, and then we set up the nice skin here at the very end. This is the Titan skin, 3.6.71. Thanks. Okay, hi. We are here at the Kodi webpage. I went to downloads and I'm looking for the Windows installer. Here you would go ahead and hit this and it will already download. I've already downloaded this, so I'm going to go ahead and minimize this window and then we'll bring up. Here's my downloads folder. Here is the exe. Jarvis 16.1, so we'll just go ahead and we'll double click on that, and yes, and here's the welcome to the setup Kodi setup wizard. Next, and I agree, and next. We'll accept them all. Here's our default location. Next, and that's okay, and install. And now the installation has started. I'll stop and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, Kodi took about 3 minutes to download there. I'm just going to, here's the finish screen, so I'm going to hit finish. I need to go to my C drive and then programs, files, x86. We'll find the Kodi folder. Here it is. And here is my startup. So we're going to do a send to and desktop. And there's that, and I don't need that anymore, so we'll go ahead and get started with Kodi. And okay, and everything has come up, and we'll move that there and stop. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is, come on, we're going to go to systems. Nope, we don't want to do that. We want to go over here, system, and we're going to go to file manager, and we're going to set up the repositories, or also known as the repos. So here they are. I got some left over, so I'm going to do a remove, yes, and a remove, yes, and a remove. Alright, okay, and then so now we're going to, there's 3 popular ones that I like, so we're going to go ahead and do those. So the first one is going to be http:// super repo srp.nu, and then we'll go down to done, and this is I'm going to name them just like we saw before, dot as super capital repo, super repo. Okay, so we've got one there. The next one that we're going to add is http:// xunitytalk.me /xfinity/ and then we're done, and we're going to call that Xfinity, but I'm going to add a dot in front of that. I'm putting the dots in front of them so they all line up together when we do our things, because sometimes they don't line up together when you go to look for them and find some of the other zip files. So we have the last one that we're doing here is fusion.tv addons.ag. Okay, checking for errors. I'm good. Done. And then down here, dot fusion. And I click on done, and it went on through. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've set up our repos here. I'm going to head back to the main page. Okay, the next part of my video here, I'm going to go to systems and add-ons and install from zip. And in this case, we're going to go to Fusion. Fusion has a plugin program. So we're going to go ahead and it's the plugin program add-on installer. This has been out for about a month now. We'll wait and see. There it goes. So now with the Fusion repo, now we go back here and we go back here and now we go to programs and it should show up, and there it is. Okay, we click on this, it's going to create the database, and now we go to video add-ons. That's where I'm going. Okay, so now we look for the ones we want. I'm going to change it to just info. The first one I want is Castaway. So I'll do the first one here for you. Okay, it comes up like here. We double click on it. Do you wish to install? I say yes. It downloads, and then there'll be a thank you notice. Eventually, oh, you have selected it. Thank you. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to set up all of my add-ons, and I'll come. They're all the same way. So, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I did. Okay, I went ahead and finished setting up all of my Fusion add-ons. So now I'm going to video and add-ons, and now you can see the ones I did. Castaway, Cloud TV, Channel Pair, Click, Exodus, iStream, NHL Streams, Pro Sport, Sports Devil, and YouTube was already there. So I'm going to go back here, I'm going to go back here, and now the next thing that I want to go ahead and set up is I go to System and Add-ons and install from zip. And now we're going to go to Xfinity here, and we're going to go to the iStream installer.zip file to install the iStream, which is a movie and TV add-on. So I'll double click on that. Is it doing anything? There it goes. So that's enabled there. Now in order to do this, so I'll have to go back here and go back here, and then we're going to go to programs. Here is the iStream installer. When you double click on this, it's going to download a number of dependencies. Okay, I double clicked on it, and the one part that I need to set up for this is the iStream without the skin. So you double click on that, and it's going to download a couple there. Okay, so there's an add-on update. Okay, looks like it's done. Well, I'm updating there too. So, okay. So we'll go back, and now we'll go back up here, and we're going to go back, and then here we're going to go back over to videos and add-ons, and then you'll see the iStream add-on right here. This guy right here, iStream installer, don't click on that. You always want to click on iStream. So I'll double click on it now, and it's launching some plugins, and it's gone ahead and it's come up and it's loaded okay. So that's good. All right, and then the next part of this that I want to install from the last repo is I want to go here. We're going to go back over here to System, and then Settings, Add-ons, and then Install from zip. And okay, so we went, we haven't gone to Super Repo yet. So we can click on Super Repo, Jarvis, which is the latest one. Add-ons, install from zip file Jarvis, repositories, and Super Repo, and then there's our zip file. So double click on that. It'll take a second. So it's gone ahead and updated right there. Okay, so that's done. So let's go get a couple of more add-ons that I like, which are Go TV and Go Movies. So we're going to go back, add on. Now, we'll go back here. We're going to go check videos. Sometimes after you do the super repo zip file, then they appear right here. EFGH. Go TV and Go Movies. Alright, so you double click on that one, install. It'll begin its download. Okay, could probably run them both together. And there's Go TV. So that's going to set itself up. And my add-ons are enabled. So let's get back up here. And I'll get back to the main page. Okay? Okay, the next thing we want to do is set up some shortcuts. So I need to go to System and Settings. And then we go to Appearance. And Skin and Settings right here. And then Add-on shortcuts right here. Okay, so here this is. My wife likes iStream, so we'll put that there. And then I like Exodus, and then I also like Go Movies, and we also do Go TV. And then the last one here I like Castaway. I try to watch some sports on that. So yeah, you click on here on the numbers and your add-ons come up, so you can go ahead and click which ones you want. So we're not going to get anything there, and you can go ahead and switch them out. And then you hit the X and the X and the X to go back here. And then when you go back over here to videos, here are your shortcuts. And I'll click on Exodus. And TVs. We'll do the first one, and okay, so the shortcut's working, which is always good. That's what I like to see. Okay, for this next part here, I'm going to set up a skin. So we're going to go to System and then Settings. Okay, and then Appearance, and then Skin. Right now it says we're using Confluence. But we're going to click on the Get More button here. And then one that I like is Titan. So we'll go ahead and get that. I'm going to stop and come back because it may take a minute. Okay, so my skin settings, this is the screen that it came out to. I right click on the Titan screen here at the top. And it goes back, and here's my home page screen. Okay, down here, if you slide your mouse over it, there's a power button that's not there, and there's your settings along with there. So I'm going to click on the settings here so I can reconfigure this. So I want to go to Skin Settings, and then I'm going to go to Home Screen Layout here, and then I'm going to Home Screen Layout here. Okay, now I've already chosen, I ran through them all. I'm going to do the vertical home screen layout. And I'm going to do the simple, I'm doing the modern big vertical. Okay. And then I'll right click at the top here, and I'll go back, and now it's going to take a second to go ahead and do that. Well, that's not what I wanted. Let's try settings again. Skin setting, home layout, we're going right back to the same spot. I wanted Did I? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we clicked on that one. And this is, I wanted this top one, the simple one. And now when I go back, it has the Kodi. It's going to have the Kodi up here. So that's okay. So we'll leave it like that. And now I don't have any of those tiles anymore because I have all of my items here. And we'll click on videos. It took a second. And now it comes up to video add-ons. And now here are all of my add-ons here, which is fine. Okay, so let's try to add some shortcuts. So let's go, I'm going to go back to settings, skin settings here. Okay, configure shortcuts and edit menu shortcuts. Okay, so we'll give it a second because it takes time to load. My computer is fairly fast, so that's okay. I'm going to go down here to settings because I want to add my shortcut on the bottom. It has a move up, move down. I can do that. I'm going to add Genesis. Now Genesis is an add-ons. We need to go down to add-ons and then video add-ons and Exodus. And then from here, create the menu item here. And then there it is. So I don't want it, and I don't want it all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to hit move up. And we're going to do that. Okay, now from here, I could also do widgets. I was learning about this earlier. I click here, and in this case, I just go to where I automatically want it to start out. So let's go to add-ons. Now I want video add-ons, and we're going to go into Exodus. And this time we're just going to do movies. By year and 2016. And okay, and then we're going to use as widget. So now we've gone ahead and set that up. Okay, it's right where I want it. That's what I wanted to do. I know this was quick as I ran through this. You may have to pause your video for a second. I'm going to go ahead and go, I'm right clicking at the top to go all the way back out. It's going to reset. There, I lost control of my mouse for a second. But here I go to Exodus. And it's loading. And there they are. So now this automatically comes up. And if I click on Exodus, it'll go to the next main page that it has. And it's right there. So that's really neat. I really like that. Okay, this is where it stops. In order to get back, I have to right click on the top. And now I'm just going to leave it like this. You can go ahead and add some more shortcuts. I did. The last thing I wanted to do was I wanted to add a picture from the internet that I have. So I go settings, skin settings, and now background settings. I'm going to go background overlay. Oh shoot, I forgot. I'm supposed to go back. I have to set up a way to get to the picture. So I need system. Oh, shoot. File manager. Here it is. And we need to add a source. Gonna let me do that? Let's browse. And I need to go see, and in this case, user daddy, that's me, pictures, and where did I save pictures. Okay, so that's okay, and we're just going to call it save pictures. That's fine, and I'm going to click OK, and now we're going to go back. So I have to go to the top, right click. Okay, so now settings and skin setting. Now I go background settings and background overlay texture. And I'm going to do a custom overlay. And here's my save pictures. I'm an American Ninja Warrior fan. You can see that. Okay, so now I go back up to the top. I right click, and let's choose something without. And there you can see the nice little picture that they added. Okay, this is the final words here. This is the Titan skin 3.6.71. Okay, I'm all done finishing my Kodi setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope that your Kodi setup goes well. Thanks.